Knowi's Documentation AI Assistant is a great tool when you need help with a Cloud9QL query or have a question and don't want to spend time searching through Knowi's online docs. The AI Assistant will quickly find your answers for you. To access this feature, go to the Help tab and then select Docs Assistant. A chat box will pop up and you can ask any question in the text box here. For example, how can I convert a string data type to a date using Cloud9QL? The Docs Assistant will search through the online documentation to find the correct function for you to use. It will also provide an example of how to use this function in Cloud9QL. You can ask follow-up questions like, what are the date formats I can use? Your questions don't have to be limited to Cloud9QL syntax, so I may ask, how do I set up conditional formatting on a widget? Which widget type can I use conditional formatting with? So for this, I've asked 2 questions in one, and the assistant has told me how to set up conditional formatting on a widget, and it's also told me which widget it's available for, the data grid. The assistant will provide source links for all of the answers it provides, so you can explore more in the Knowi Docs yourself if you want or need.